بداية سلام شالوم peace.
The beginning. Shalom. Salam. Peace.
אתה רואה, יעקב, את הגנרל אבו רשד, קצין הקישור הירדני הבכיר בשיחות עם ישראל, שאין זה ביקורו הראשון בישראל. זה הגנרל הירדני עם הכומתה השחורה.
So how can pests be eliminated without causing harm to humans? The answer, of course, is naturally the barn owl, a natural hunting machine that eliminates rodents. Research of Yoav Motro of the Hebrew University has shown that a pair of barn owls can catch from 2,000 to 5,000 rodents a year. This improves the agricultural yield on certain crops by 24%. In 2005, the project became interregional when Jordan joined. Contact was made with General Mansour Abu Rashid, the chairman of the Amman Center for Peace and Development, in order to establish economic projects between Jordan and Israel.
It will take 2 or 3 more years. We have maybe 200 boxes like we have 700 in our side. Then you will go to Syria, to Iraq, to other countries we cannot go, and show them the system, and they will do it.
You know, the birds, they don't believe in border. There's no border for the bird. They can cross without permit, without passport, without visa.
And thus we need an ambassador for this. And this is the barn owl. In the talons, you see the branch, olive branch. And why this is an ambassador?
This is the symbol of peace of our project. This is the barn owl, the Barbajan.
Please save.
Dead Sea. You know the Dead Sea is shrinking 1 meter every year. In 2050, the Dead Sea be a swimming pool. For that reason, we have to saving the Dead Sea as Jordan River. Here in the book, you can see 3 languages, Hebrew, Arabic, all over the world, to painting this book. To be as a symbol for the peace in the Middle East. This is the
Alive, not dead.
Alive of the Dead Sea.
Okay.
The boma in our tradition, it was a bad luck. But now most of the farms that they grow or they keep it a boma in the fields, now they have new idea, and they try also to talk with the other people that the boma is not a bad luck. The boma is a good luck, and it's a friend for the farmers.